Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to insert or type glass symbol or icon using keyboard shortcut key in MS Word. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your MS Word. First you need to select CGUI UI symbol. Then type here 1F453. After typing number, click on all text. You can see here glass symbol or icon has been inserted. If you want to increase symbol size, select this one. If you want to change color, select this one. That's it guys. So in this way insert or type glass icon or symbol in MS Word. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.